Oh shoot. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna try to do a wheelie. Ready? Oh. Oh. Yeah. I cannot ride through this sand stuff. Oh. Oh yeah, Turner. I don't know if you do you like to go? Do you go hunting? So what's it called? Me and my friends, we walk back there, probably like a couple hundred feet. There's a hunting stand back there. Trail cam. Yeah, straight back.
Is that legal?
What? No, it's on Pepper Plantation.
Pepper Plantation's back there?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. You're not a person going the wrong way.
I know.
No, are you sure?
Positive.
Are you Tupelo comes first?
Because we looked on Snap Map and it said Pepper Plantation.
Tupelo comes first.
No, I think Snoopelo is like pushed inwards.
Alright, let's go. Jacuzzi!
I watch this shit, right? Oh. Fuck. Can't wait till I get my mountain bike. Holy shoot. Holy crap, dude. Hold on.
The blue one? I used to do like money like this. And I get all kind of money.
Oh, plus here. Oh, right down that?
I want to get a picture. No, wait, hold on. I'll ride down. Hold on, wait.
Can I ride your bike down that hill?
Yeah. Sorry, man. Because you know we both don't want to deal with that.
What?
Taking that thing?
What do you mean taking it?
Like riding the BMX down?
Oh, yeah.
And you don't even...
You'll catch up. I won't even be able to make it up this. Oh, this is so fun. We all running down this right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Coming too?
yeah.
Hey, sir, what's up?
Oh shit, that's risky.
Ah, so much fun.
I'm gonna go for it.
Just send it.
Bro. Okay.
turn has to head home in a second, so we're all gonna go.
Well, I've been telling you, I'm gonna do it soon because I'm exhausted and I don't feel it.
Dude,
Can you at least film a video for me?
I mean, I guess your friends are more important than this family.
No, I'm literally about to come, but there's no way I'm making it like 15-minute bike home.
I'll wait 15 minutes.
Not exactly 15 minutes or whatever. Yo, look, I found a seashell. That's how you know this was covered underwater. I found a seashell.
dude, if you go fast,
Dude, is that rocks over there?
maybe.
Yeah, boy. I don't want to go on that. LeBron! You know the blue silver bike? See my gotta go home. Are you gonna come with me?
Well, yeah.
Yo, look, see? What have I done that? Look at the tiny shell. Ron, look! Here, look at it. Oh, I dropped it. There's shells in all.
I'm gonna ride on this right here.
This is nothing, bud.
I know. Oh my. Bro, you sure do catch speed on that one. Bro, you catch speed on that. You catch speed on that.
That one's more fun than the other one.
Ron, you know the blue silver bike? Yeah. I just did a muddy like this, and that's why I act like this.
Oh, shoot.
You're like full on mud tires.
Bro, I can do a wheelie on this one.
You know what?
Oh.
But Ron, I used to do mudding like this. I like full like mud.
I'm gonna go down and then hit that one and then cut
Now
it
let's
off.
go downhill.
Yeah, this way. And then it goes up.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ron, no, can you listen to me for a sec?
Hold up.
I got full like thick mud tires,
Yeah,
and
we
that's
know.
why my bike's like that.
You know.
No, listen to me.
Let's go.
I gotta go back. It's my dog's birthday. My dog's birthday.
Oh my, this is going out right there.
Yo, do you want to left to get out of here? We can go through there.
Why don't we go through here, Juan?
Oh no, I'm not going down that side though.
Alright, go down this right here. Go down this right here.
Look how bumpy that
I just
shit
went
is.
down it. It's so bad.
Oh, me, y'all. That was fun. Oh, that's tough, bud. Shit.
Oh yeah, don't forget to leave. Look, there's fish in there.
No way, actually.
There's fish. Dude, what fish is in this pond?
Probably was.
Here, look. There's so many fat ones.
Alright, this is the moment in the video. Peace.